So here's what I'm talking about. Check this out. It's an 85 Grand Prix and it is in great condition. This car has Riddler wheels. It's just very, very clean. The stance is great. The inside is well maintained. It's got a great dash. Back seat's clean. Paint's in really good shape. And this car can be had for under 20 grand. So I'm not starting this here. Obviously, it's in the showroom with a whole lot of other cars. But on our website, you can find more pictures and a video of it running. This is one that you might have to come check out.